What's up, trader? Welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. I will be doing a live trading session, live analysis, and live discussion. So before I begin, as usual, give a big thumbs up, smash the like button, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard, so make sure that you stick till the end. As you know that this is the end of the month, so all the pairs now started to break down, so that showing some trending direction. So this is the time when we can grab some good trades on the way. So if you want to be with me in this live session, don't miss any part of this. And also you have an opportunity to interact with me in the live chat. On the right side you can see that you can write down your question, or if you want me to analyze any of the pairs, that I will try to cover all of them, that is giving us trading opportunity, including Forex, crypto, and indices. So as you know that when there is an upcoming news release, the pairs become volatile. So first, before I begin, let's look at what news coming up. Now this is a free website for news announcement called Forex Factory. So if you go to the calendar of this Forex Factory, you can see the news announcement. So if you are completely beginner in trading, then this website you can visit for free. And keep in mind that I'm not any kind of affiliate or anyone like that, just to help you. So it's a free website. Once you click the calendar, you might see a lot of news. Just filter and then check these red boxes, uncheck all of them, then you should see only the red, which is the high impact news. So we see that there is a news coming tomorrow for euro, okay, all day. So euro is going to be very, very volatile, and also tomorrow night there is USD news announcement, and also and next day, Wednesday, there is ADP non-farm employment change, and there's some really strong news coming this week. Non-farm payroll, as you can see, that the most volatile news, and the pairs will giving us a crazy trading opportunity. So we'll discuss all of them one by one, guys and girls. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and also press that bell notification if you're completely new. And I want you to give a big thumbs up, guys and girls, so that this stream is visible to more people. To help the stream, give a big thumbs up. Before I start, let me check on the chat now. Today, salam to all from Pakistan. Thank you. Kakulan, greeting to all Kakulan. Thank you very much. Good day, traders. Good day. Haidar, thumbs up. Thank you very much, Haidar. Mohan, hi coach, how are you doing? I'm very good, Mohan. Thank you very much for mentioning this. Let me see live chat. Yeah, this is going on. And Frank, hello sir, good evening. No problem. Hello, Haidar, Gbpusd. Hello, Hassan. Great, you are okay, no problem. Hello sir, I want best trading trade and some pips. Of course, Benjamin, good afternoon sir. Johannesburg from South Africa, thank you. Greeting from Sydney, please. Dolly, yeah. Arsina from Sri Lanka, how are you? I'm good. Hello, good from Morocco, thank you very much. Babu, good evening. Great to hear that Euro AUD, please. Yep, James, very much. Felix says the best coach ever. Thank you very much, Felix. Very good. Slim, Justin still holding USD. It's still melting. Awesome, Justin. He is a very good trader from USA. He is still holding the US30. Great, Justin. That's how a trader has to be. He's holding this trade for a very long time, and he's making money out of it. You remember that US30 trade that we have opened couple of days ago. From here he's still holding. Awesome, Justin. See, trading is like that. Some of you still very young in this field. You need to keep in mind, guys and girls, see, there is always some losing trade will come, but when there is a winning, you have to take all the profit from the winning. See, US 30, you remember that when the price, I'm still holding the trade like Justin, that's what I do. See, this trade that I have posted, okay, in the live stream, also in our VIP channel from here. Look, if you hold this trade, because it's a reversal, you see that? If you hold this trade, look at this, 10 times profit, guys, okay? 10 times profit means if you get one trade like this, okay, exactly 10 times profit. Look at this from here. If you hold this trade, one trade will give you everything you need. How many winning trade you need in a year like this? See, this is the, you can review couple of days, last week's analysis when the price was here US 30. What did I say? That US 30 is going to reverse, and look at this, what happened is still it is creating a bearish price action. If you hold the trade, still it will drop, guys. Still it is in a bearish, 10 times profit, and that's how traders make money from this market, guys and girls. Trust me, I had an opportunity to trade some of the greatest trader in the world, and their winning rate is less than 20%. Trust me, the big boys, the hedge fund, they trade like this. So they hold the trade for an extended period of time, and then let's say they open 10 trade, okay, they open 10 trade, probably 8 of them is loser, or maybe they open 20 trade, okay, 18 of them loser, okay, but 2 trades that take such a big money that they have all the money they need. That's how trading is, guys. Couple of pips profit, closing doesn't make any sense. It will never give you a big profit. The real trading is when you hold a trade for an extended period of time, like Justin is holding this US 30 trade. Justin, awesome. We learn from you and everyone learn from you. Thank you for that. So let's look at, guys and girls, what you are up to. Let's look at gold now. What's gonna happen on gold now? Good that gold is going a little bit up. I think that we will have another selling opportunity on gold. Smash the like button now, guys and girls, because gold, let me do a full analysis on gold. Okay, gold is doing exactly according to the analysis. Now gold, what you saw that, let me do today also I posted analysis. Probably you have seen that on is still on YouTube and trading view. So let me redo that, so the next time you can predict the market. Like you saw my gold analysis, every weekly forex forecast review them, starting from maybe starting of the month. Every weekly forex forecast, gold is doing exactly according to the analysis. Now you can see that this is the gold chart on the monthly. Now how many of you have watched my free YouTube video on one secret candle part 2? I talk about this kind of candlestick, okay, especially on the higher time frame. What did I say in that video? If you haven't watched that, watch this valuable video. You see that what did I say? That when you see a candle like this, a red candle, okay, or green candle, and a long wick at the bottom, okay, in a downtrend, what did I say? That in most cases, in 90% cases, you can expect the price to come down again to fill at least 50% of this wick of this candle. Okay, so that is what I talk about, this long wick candle on the monthly perspective. All right, guys and girls, and look at this, what happened. This is what exactly did gold on the monthly. You see that? So it's almost the month end. This is the real proof of that video. You see that the price went to this important level of resistance on the monthly perspective, and we have seen a bounce. Okay, so this is what exactly I talk about, that the price came down. So when you know that there is a high probability the price will go down, and that is the prediction that made every single week on gold doing exactly according to the analysis. Now weekly perspective, we have seen the price is a clean bearish price action. How do you know that? First of all, on gold, you see there is a double top formation here, and then breakdown followed by this retracement, breakdown followed by this retracement. Now what we see, that gold has broken down again to the downside, and what we see that gold basically after, first of all, what we have seen that there is a So there is a bearish engulfer. You can see that it's a strong bearish engulfer followed by this doji or a middleman. That's a sign of further move and gold is doing okay. So now this is the last week of the month. It could be very, very volatile, trust me guys and girls. So on the daily, what do you see that after the daily we have seen a strong move like that, okay, followed by this retracement, okay, healthy retracement. Look at this Fibonacci, taking Fibonacci from the high to the low, and the price retraced exactly 38.2% Fibonacci to 50%, which is the healthy retracement needed for this move. And from the 20 period moving average, okay, we see that gold has broken down with this bearish engulfer followed by this another bearish candle. Now what we see that gold basically started to drop, okay, it is likely to drop further. Now on the 4-hour perspective, we see that after this move on gold, a bearish move, now we see a retracement, a push up, and what we are expecting for the gold to go to this gap level, I'm expecting it to be nearing here. This is the opening of today's session on gold. This is the resistance here, okay, support here, support here. Now what we are expecting now, this current candle to go up, okay, this one or the next one to test this resistance and then to drop. So this is what I am expecting on gold, to continue to drop, and I am expecting it to drop, and I think that it will happen. If you look at the daily, there is already a drop and the price should go up for a deeper retracement, and then we can expect a drop. So yeah, that's the goal for gold now, to do a proper retracement and then to drop from here, guys and girls. Is gold doing retest? Yes, that's what I'm expecting. Hi, good evening, thank you. I'm from India. Mohammed, thank you very much from India. Hello sir, love from Nigeria. Your signal are amazing. Thank you very much, Kair. Awesome, very good. Thank you for your appreciation. That's cool that you appreciated gold, sir. Yep. Had a professor, is GBP AUD a good buy? We'll look at it one by one. Ibrahim, good afternoon sir. No problem. Ali, thank you very much sir. I sent you a message on IG. I just want to know if it is you. Frank, hopefully it's me. If you are using the website, then my agent or me, same thing, okay. I have a team who are working behind it. So if you directly want to talk to me, just let the agent to forward it to me. Because hi sir, thank you very much. Like this too, thank you very much. Hello coach, I have watched for sure the candle is magic one. Yes John, awesome, very good, thank you very much. Hi the Gbpusd, Sandeep India, thank you very much. And dollar yen target please. Awesome, let's look at now dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen giving us another good trading opportunity, guys. It's now on a retracement, okay. Dollar yen, look at this, it's a bullish setup again. So I will be going bullish after this candle. If it closes like that, I sincerely believe that we'll have another spike to the upside. Smash the like button now. The reason is dollar yen, you saw my weekly forex forecast on the daily time frame. As soon as the market opened, it didn't give me a chance to enter the trade, okay, but I am watching for another entry. You see the daily strong bullish engulfer, no doubt about it. Exactly according to the analysis, it pushed up. I was waiting in the morning, but I couldn't enter the trade. Now I will be entering, okay. When I will be entering, say dollar yen, first of all, with this bullish engulfer during this news release, grab liquidity, and then you know that shoot up, okay, started to go up, and then now every candle is a bullish candle, right? The previous last two candles, look at this narrow doji, guys, narrow candles, okay. So what I will be doing after 1 hour 16 minutes, if this candle is closing something like that as a red narrow candle, then I might target entry around 50%, where the candle will close around 50% of this long wick, okay, around 50% of this long wick, and I will keep my stop loss somewhere here. I'll target open target, okay, at least 3 to 5. That's what I do. I normally take a big profit in my trade. So if you want to trade with me, this instrument, dollar yen and dollars, getting, see, these 2 days will be extremely volatile. I might send a lot of trade signal to the VIP group. And also, if you want to learn my strategies to trade this kind of pairs, you can jump onto the website, link in the description area. You can visit the website and see how you can find a trading opportunity on this. So you can visit the website and join as soon as if you want to learn my strategies and also trade with me. So let me look at, so dollar yen currently showing it's testing this important level. Okay, what I think that dollar yen will respect this support. You see that the buyers now buying from this level of support, and I think that dollar yen will respect this support. Keep in mind that long term dollar yen very strongly bullish, and this price is historically high. You see that this is the came last month. Now it is likely to break. And what I think that from the weekly perspective, you see that after this bullish engulfer dodgy, now we can expect a push up. On the daily perspective, after the daily bullish engulfer, the bulls started to push up. And what I think that on the 4-hour perspective, now dollar yen is creating a bullish pattern, guys. You see that I'm waiting for a proper entry point in this zone on dollar yen. As soon as I will find, I will take a big move, because with a narrow stop loss, dollar yen now giving us a really bullish setup, guys and girls. So dollar yen to me is bullish. Okay, so let's look at now what's happening. Ready? Good day, coach. Please, Euro USD, will look at it. Euro CHF, thank you. Ali Akbar, Euro dollar, yep, okay, thank you, sir, no problem. Haidar, Gbp USD. Ibrahim, I just bought a prop firm account. Any advice, sir? Ibrahim, very good. The advice is, keep in mind that prop firm has a target, so make sure you manage your manage your risk properly. Okay, it's very important that when you are trading with the prop firm, first thing, manage your risk. Second thing, try to find a high quality trade setup. This is the very important. Trade with the trend. Okay, that's the thing. Hello sir, how are you? I'm from UAE. Since I found your video on YouTube, I'm fan of you. Waiting when you come in live. Thank you so much, Muhammad Faisal. Very good. From UAE, from such a long distance. Yeah, I was in UAE too for a long time in 2008. Yeah, I know that place very much. Thank you for joining from such a long distance. I really appreciate that you join. You see that dollar yen is now respecting this support, creating a long wick candle, guys and girls. You want it to happen. Okay, I'm waiting for a bullish setup on dollar yen, and hopefully that will really find a good trade on dollar yen. Edison just joined your team today. Thank you, Edison. Very good. Thank you for joining our team. Welcome and welcome on board. Many of you joining every day. That's really good, and I really appreciate that everyone is finding value in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, and I really warm welcome everyone. There are some new content coming on the dashboard already. Quite a few new strategies added to the lifetime access dashboard. Who are already in lifetime, you can access that. The best one from my side is the news and price action trading strategy, and middleman trading strategy, and trend following but TF trading strategy, guys and girls. These three strategy you must learn if you are in the lifetime access plan. News, price action, again I'm repeating, middleman strategy, and TF or trend following strategy. These are three favorite my strategies that I use every day. In addition to the other strategies, also very beneficial when the condition arises. Thank you for making a video on pending orders. No problem. Shoaib Ali, Kakulan, Euro AUD, yep, Flexi, USD, please coach, no problem. Dr. Anthony, no one is answering the chat room in the website. No problem, Dr. Anthony. Actually, everyone is busy in the live stream. No problem. Just wait for the live stream to be finished, because I have moderator they are managing the live stream, probably that's why they couldn't replay. As soon as the live stream finish, they will get back to you, so please as soon as the live stream finish, wait for the answer. Karthik, hi sir, Euro, Dollar and GBP USD. Karthik, no problem. Crazy project, will gold come down till 1711? Hopefully. Okay, gold, I think that gold will drop further. Mohammed Faisal sir, what about US oil for this week? Yeah, we'll look at it. US oil. Haider, what do you advise about robot? Haider, robot, I tried to use long ago. I lost money and I lost faith on robot. I only rely on pure price action, but there, if you have a good robot that's proven, that's completely fine. I'm not gonna comment on it, but I don't use so far. I mainly rely on my own mind, own judgment and own analysis. So Dr. Anthony, thank you, no problem. Dr. Eliezer, hello sir, no problem. Eliezer, what do you advise about robot? Yeah, that's what I told Ramesh sir about gold. Yeah, we discussed about gold. So now let's see, guys and girls, USD ZAR, what it is doing. Now USD ZAR, as I mentioned in my weekly Forex forecast, USD ZAR is bullish. Let's look at quickly on the weekly perspective. Okay guys, so USD ZAR, you can see that on the weekly there is a bullish engulfer is formed, right? This is the bullish engulfer followed by this doji. Okay, now this week the market opened with a gap down, right? And what you see that the price is creating a lower high. So what I think that we might see some range bound on USD ZAR on the lower time frame until the monthly close. I think daily perspective, you see that the price opened with a gap and bullish move as expected. What I think that USD ZAR might go for a range bound for some time, something like that. Okay, I think that let the monthly close, because as the price couldn't break this monthly high, after the monthly close we might see little bit of downward move. Okay, so with that in mind, on the 4-hour perspective, we see that the price is creating, first of all, it has created a head and shoulder here, has broken down. Now the price went to this zone again. We see some kind of bearish move. So what I will be doing is, on USD ZAR, I will be waiting for this resistance to be broken. Okay, resistance to be broken, and then we'll consider going long on USD ZAR. So I need this resistance to be broken. Okay, and then we can expect to go long on USD ZAR, guys and girls. So that's the plan for USD ZAR. So mainly my eyes on dollar yen. Okay, you see this strongly bullish, and dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD is dropping, that's good. CAD, you see that this is a very important level for buying CAD, dollar CAD. Okay, look at the daily, you see that daily just created a candle that is, remove this one, is a weakless candle on the daily time frame, and there is a gap opening on the daily. If the price come here, definitely I'll be a buyer on dollar CAD. Okay, on the daily perspective. So if you look at the 4-hour, this is the support zone for dollar CAD, and I will be waiting for the price to come here now to give a buy signal on this one as well. Based on the price action, I will be waiting first the candle to be closed there. So Ali left this. So what is the risk reward ratio of your strategy? Ali, it depends. See, risk reward, there is one thing and I want to be clarify you. Okay, it's very important that you know that. Look, you can't define a strategy with risk reward. Mostly I prefer 1 to 3 risks to reward at least. Okay, 1 to 3, but sometimes I trade with 1 to 1 risks to reward. Now let me tell you why. Okay, it's as a trader you need to know that. The reason is, look, trading is all about probability. Okay, probability. Try to understand, then you will understand actually what is risk reward. Okay, so what is a probability? Let's say I give you a trade. Okay, I give you a trade and I'm saying that stop loss is, let's say, 30 pip. Okay, 30 pip move, stop loss 30 pip. Now I told you, okay, the target is 30 pip, okay, but the probability of this price, of this move to reach 30 pip target is 90%. Okay, you need to understand it, 90%. This is a probability. Okay, that means that, okay, that I gave you one trade like this, that one trade 30 pip is stop loss, 30 pip profit target, 90% probability trade. I gave you one. Okay, now this is a 1-to-1 trade, right? Risk 1, profit 1. Now I give you another trade, let's say like this. Okay, I gave you 10 pip stop loss, okay, and I give you 30 pip profit target. Okay, so that means that in this trade, this is 1:3 risk to reward, right? Risk 10 pip, profit or reward is 30 pip. Okay, but I gave you a probability of, let's say, 20% probability, okay, in this trade. Then which one is a good trade? Can anybody tell me in the chat which one is you gonna take, this one or that one? Let me know in the chat section. I'm expecting an answer from you. Okay, let's look at now one by one. Akram Ishar, hello sir, please do analysis on euro dollar. Look at it. Ali Akbar, euro dollar. Has GBP AUD, sir, no problem. Joshua, hello sir. Joshua, buying or selling pound? What about AUD CAD, sir? Yeah, we'll look at it one by one. Pound, thank you very much. Please kindly look at US30. Thank you, no problem. Let's look at good morning from Canada. Good morning. You have the guts to teach people. Okay, so even a level of, okay, so you have 90%, no problem. Thank you very much. So let's look at now. What about, let's look at what is called USD. Okay, so this one is, so which one is okay? Felix says 1:3. Okay, very good. Dr. Anthony, 20%. Okay, so that's the thing. Okay, you see that you are expecting that 1:3 will be the best trade, but to me the good trade is this one. Okay, this is the good trade. All right, this one is the good trade. The reason is, see, 90% probability. 90% probability means that, okay, if you take this kind of 10 trade, okay, 9 of them is winner. Okay, that is the key points. Okay, if you take 1-to-1 10 trade with 90% probability, means that 9 out of 10 is winner. But this one, 20% probability, means that if you take, let's say, how many trade? So if you take 5 trade, or yeah, 5 trade like this, okay, one of them will be winner. All right, so which one is a better trade? Definitely this one is a good trade. So that's how you will understand the risk reward or a profit, or you know, risk to reward ratio, or how it is. But normally a decent risk to reward ratio is 1:3. Keep in mind that when you go higher in the risk to reward, your winning ratio will drop. There is no way you can keep a very high winning rate with a high risk to reward ratio. The market doesn't allow that. It's impossible. So if you want to trade, let's say 1:3 risk to reward, you need to expect to lose at least, you know, 2 trades out of 3. Okay, let's say. So then what will happen? Let's say if you trade with 1:3 risk to reward ratio, 10 trade, and if you lose 2 out of 3, then what will happen? After 10 trade, or after 12 if you let me each 3 trades you lose 2, right? Then after 12 trade, what will happen? You will basically win 4, okay, and you lose 8. So in this 4 you basically gain 12%, and in this 8 you lose 8%, okay. Basically you still have 4% profit, and that's how traders make money from risk to reward. So you have to be ready to take some losing trade. If you don't know how to manage risk properly, then you need to understand it properly, how these things work. So awesome, Kriya, very good guess. Eliezer, awesome, helpful news, awesome, very much. Benjamin, 90%, very good. I see that many of you really has a very good awesome understanding about the probability in trading. Very good response from you guys and girls. So let's see now some of the good pairs giving us trading opportunity. Let's look at euro dollar, guys and girls. Let's look at euro dollar. Some of you are requesting euro dollar, how it is doing now. Euro dollar, this is the end of the month. Keep in mind, I think that euro dollar now going in a very important place for selling. Smash the like button. Now let me tell you what I think on euro dollar. First of all, let me give you a full analysis. Let's look at what's happening with euro dollar. Now this is the monthly chart. Why do I look at monthly? Because monthly, weekly, higher time frame will give you a clear direction in the market, removing all the noise from the lower time frame. And weekly, so weekly perspective, what we see that on the, first of all, monthly euro dollar, we see that the price basically is creating a series of lower high, right? It's creating series of lower high, okay, on the monthly perspective. And then we see that euro dollar, this is a really strongly bearish market. How do you know? Look at the red candles, only one candle in the middle which is green. You can see that this is the green candle that acted as important level of resistance for this move, and from that point we have seen that euro dollar looks like a monthly middleman is being created. That's a high probability that the price will continue to drop. Now looking at the weekly, we have seen after the strong bearish engulfer, we see that followed by a weekly middleman, okay, weekly middleman. Now the price is going up, it's good for us. Now this is where the weekly resistance, you can see that, okay, this is the weekly resistance here. This is the weekly resistance, and what I think that the price should go there to test this weekly resistance on the weekly perspective, and from this zone we can expect euro dollar to continue to drop, okay. So what I am expecting for euro dollar to continue to drop, but it is going in a very important area for our possible shorting opportunity. Now looking at the daily, see, this is what exactly I told in my weekly forex forecast. You can see that on the daily there is a doji on euro dollar, okay, there is a doji. This is the daily doji. Now the price is going up. Awesome. What I am expecting euro dollar to reach this zone on the 4-hour perspective, I think that it will create a nice looking head and shoulder, and then the price should drop. That is what I am expecting. That is what I am waiting for, the entry on euro dollar, as this is the monthly weekly bearish, now creating a nice looking head and shoulder on the euro dollar, and I'm expecting to go on euro dollar, guys and girls. Awesome. Paul Babab says, I joined last week. So far I made 4,998 in the first week using middleman and news trading strategy. Is there any new strategy coming, sir? Awesome, Paul, good job. That's the goal of this news trading and middleman strategy, Paul. Very good. Just last week you joined. Very good, Paul. Well done. And that is what I want from you guys and girls. That is what I want. Be independent, learning the strategy, okay? Because middleman, and as I told you, middleman and news strategy is my favorite, and the way I present it, it's easy to understand, because you will not find any strategy in this market which includes the news and the price action. Okay, news and price action fused together. There is a correlation. I spent almost a year to understand this pattern between news and price action. So whenever there will be news, there will be trade, but there is a specific price action pattern that one can learn. Okay, so one can learn, and so if you want to learn that strategy, that's a good job. Well done, Pavel. That's good money you made. Awesome, mate. Thank you for that. Thank you for mentioning this. So let's look at now euro dollar. What I'm thinking to see euro dollar now on the 4 hour. First of all, you see this long red candle. This one is a liquidity grab during the news announcement. This is what I teach in my news strategy, guys and girls. So this one is the liquidity grab during the news release last week. Now with that candle, now the price is creating a clearly defined, see that there is a dynamic resistance coming up on euro dollar. Okay, so this is the resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. Now what we can expect from this dynamic resistance, respecting this resistance, respecting this head and shoulder, we could see a drop, and that could be a bigger drop. And I am really looking forward to trade this euro dollar from this zone, this head and shoulder. On the 4 hour perspective, the price now reaching this very important level of resistance, euro dollar from this zone. We could see after a price action confirmation from this zone, we could see a drop on euro dollar. Now, as I told you, that monthly, weekly is bearish, and I expect euro dollar to continue to drop, and that is what I'm expecting now on euro dollar. And now at the same time, as I told you, if you look at the weekly time frame, euro dollar now approaching this resistance, this weekly opening and close. And what I think that euro dollar might go to this zone again. Okay, might come to this, let me draw this level here, because you see that this is the weekly, let me delete this one, this is the weekly previous support here. You see this is the previous support here acting as a resistance. And now what we can expect, the price to test this previous support here, okay, as a resistance. If that's the case, you see that this is the middleman that I always talking about in my strategies. Middleman, we see that on the weekly the price is created a kind of reversal pattern. So normally middleman works best with the reversal pattern. So when you see a reversal pattern with a middleman with certain rules in the middlemans that I presented in our strategy, so with that middleman we see that the price basically created this middleman, and from that now the price is going up again to test this important level. Now daily perspective, where we see that the price, couple of things we need to keep in mind on euro dollar. First of all, there is a daily head and shoulder has been created and then has broken down with that head and shoulder, and what we see that the price tested this previous support as resistance, and we can expect it drop now. So what I'm expecting euro dollar, this one to go up to complete this 4 hour head and shoulder, okay, and then we can expect it to drop. Smash the like button now, guys and girls. Don't forget to like the stream to help the stream. Thank you very much for your time. So I give you 2 seconds, give a big thumbs up please to like the stream, to push the stream up in the search engine. That's really helps, that's really keep me motivated to do more of them for this, for you to give more value in this. Thank you very much for that. So Majib, could you please move, okay, I'll try, because this if I move the video, then this way sometimes this chat also gone away, sometimes you can't see the chart. So let's look at Nugian dollar yen. You look at it. Ali Akbar, thank you very much. Aber Gold, Kriya, it's good to understand how to enter the market based on the analyst that Forex user is giving. I narrowed all the analysis from yesterday down to smaller time frame, and I got 10 winning trades. Wow, Kriya, that's awesome. That is awesome. Very good. That's the goal of this, the main intention. See, intention creates the results. Okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. Thank you very much for that. So you got euro dollar. Now let's look at now gold is doing, we already talked about gold. I think that now it is going up for a deeper retracement on the 4 hour, so we'll keep gold aside. So let's look at some indices. US 30. Okay, now US 30, this is the trade Justin was running. It's a 10 times profit. Awesome. Now US 30, let me see what might happen. Okay, so first of all, look at the monthly. Why? Because monthly, weekly will give you a clear direction in the market, removing all the noise from the lower time frame. Now US 30, what we see that on the monthly perspective, you see that the price is melting, and I think that this is a big move is happening, waiting for on US 30, because look at the monthly perspective. The price has broken this monthly doji, the high of the doji. You see that monthly resistance, and from this monthly resistance we have seen that US 30 basically started to drop down. Now what we see that US 30 basically on the monthly perspective, what I think that it will, at least it should come down to the level of support or even could break. That can give us a really good trade on the lower time frame perspective. On the weekly, there is a big bearish engulfer on US 30. You see that, that's what I mentioned in previous analysis, that this is the liquidity gap. So what is the liquidity gap? You can find a free video on YouTube channel, guys and girls. So if you wanna keep that in your basket, don't forget to subscribe, jump on the YouTube channel, watch that liquidity gap. So what happened is that US 30 was dropping along this trend line, and the price went there to grab liquidity, meaning that it is preparing for a bigger move down. So it's a change of trend from an uptrend to the downtrend. The reason is the change of trend happen like this. When you see this is the weekly time frame, and for a very extended period of time US 30 was consolidating and decelerating. Okay, so that's a big move for the trend change. So that means that for maybe a couple of a couple of years or maybe years of time, we could see that US 30 is dropping. Probably it might even come to this level. Okay, so slowly it is turned from a bullish market to a bearish market. That is awesome. So now let's look at on the daily perspective how it is doing. US 30 on the daily perspective, we see that the price has created a very aggressive bearish engulfer. Okay, so on the daily, all right, and this bearish engulfer basically a leg of this head and shoulder. Okay, so with that in mind, we see that US 30 basically has created this bearish engulfer, and with that bearish engulfer there is a gap opening on US 30. Now with that gap opening, what we see that the price basically now started to move down. Okay, so on the 4 hour perspective, we see that, oh my, this is a nice looking bearish price action, guys, and there is a gap opening. Okay, on US 30. Now this cut back to back, how many, 1 2 3 4 candles is accumulating in this zone, creating a lower high. I think that we might see another drop on US 30. Okay, guys and girls, I think that US 30 might see another drop, and with that drop we could see that US 30 basically coming to this level of support, because you see that this is the monthly candle. Okay, and when this candle is closing 2 days 9 hour, right, that means 2.5 days, and in these 2.5 days I think that US 30 will come back to this level of support. I think I could be wrong. Trading is all about probability, but the way the price action is formed, I think that the price will continue to drop. Okay, guys and girls, let's kindly look at Aussie dollar. Yeah, look at it, no problem. Hi sir, Gbpusd, thank you very much. Gbpusd, gold please. So we discussed gold, and we'll look at over and over again. We'll come back and we'll do again and we'll do again like that. Okay, so let's look at now, Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar. All right, so Aussie dollar, we see that the price basically dropped, a big drop. Now this is a weekless candle on the opening of the market. And now what I think that Aussie dollar, let me look at daily. You see that this is the daily time frame. What I think that Aussie dollar will continue to drop. Okay, the reason is, first of all, look at, this is the daily chart. Look at this, the last day of trading week, what happened. You see, this is what you need to look at when you are trading. It's a very, very strong bearish engulfer that has crossed the high, crossed the low, full body red with a full bearish engulfer, textbook bearish engulfer with a head and shoulder. Okay, so that's a possible big trend, like the move down, followed by today, as soon as market opened, we have seen an weekless candle. Now this weekless candle might remain like that, or it might just break the high and then could continue to drop. But the goal is that it is likely to drop. Now the question is, will it go for a deeper retracement? I don't care. What I care is, you see the price is now going for retracement. I need to see another bearish move starts. When the next bearish move will start, I will continue to, you know, I will start to, you know, that so I will think of selling when I will see that possible bearish move starts on Aussie dollar, guys and girls. So let's look at now what's happening. So this is the Aussie dollar. I need to see either this resistance that today's opening, this one is being respected or not respected. This is now on a pullback, right? Now this pullback might go even up to here, or it just may end here and then continue to drop. So what I will be waiting, when the move will start, we might see a long bearish engulfer. Okay, when we see a long bearish engulfer, I'll immediately sell short, keeping stop loss above the bearish engulfer, take profit below this level, guys and girls. So let's look at what's happening with Hyder here. Sir, please. Unique rules says, sir, my friend referred me to you. Okay, I want to learn your strategies. Can I get discount on lifetime access plan? Okay, Queens, your friend referred to you. Okay, I don't know who is your friend, but yeah, that's good that your friend referred to you. But the thing is that say lifetime access plan is already discounted. Okay, the value it brings is really it's huge, but you can visit the website, you can find all the details on the website. But it's good that your friend referred to you, so you might have a look at it favorably. But you can visit the website, link in the description area, or you can find a link at the top of this chat at where you can see we can find all the detail. Use the live chat to talk to the agent about everything, because it's a live stream. The goal of this live stream is to give value to people, to the trader. So let me focus on that. For this one, go to the website, talk to the live like the agents. They will talk to you. If they are busy now, just after the live stream, you can find everyone free. They will talk to you. You can use the live chat on the website. Okay, so let me look at now which one we have is let me look at GJ. Okay, GJ, it's in a sideways movement. Let me look at dollar yen again. Okay, you see the dollar yen, this is what I told you, that the price is respecting this support. You can see that there is a huge buying happening dollar yen, guys and girls. You see the long wick candle. Now if this one is creating like that, okay, I will immediately go long with dollar yen. I think that it will have a big spike to the upside on dollar yen. Okay, so I'm waiting for a possible spike to the upside on dollar yen. This is a sign of strong bullish move. How do you understand a strong bullish move? Let me do the dollar yen again, because the pairs that giving us trading opportunity, that is the best pair that you can focus on. Always keep in mind that the pairs that will give you good trading opportunity, focus on that. The one that not giving trading opportunity, keep it aside. Every day you may not find all the pairs giving you trading opportunity. See, I always keep 4 time frame aligned. Okay, this is my secret. Okay, 4, this is called the magic 4. Okay, that's what I tell, the magic 4. So the 4 is monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour. When this 4 time frame, okay, in the same direction, that is where the high probability trade setup. Now you look at this dollar yen. First of all, look at the monthly, bullish, no doubt about it, strongly bullish market. Oh, what's happened? Strongly bullish market. Okay, there the price was creating a series of higher high, higher low. Okay, this current month it grabbed the liquidity from the bottom of this narrow doji and then shooting to the upside. Okay, dollar yen bullish setup, 1 in line. Look at the weekly. Okay, on the weekly the price bullish engulfer followed by doji, now another bullish setup. Okay, big bullish move. So number 2 is aligning together. Go to the daily. Now daily perspective, this is what I told in my weekly forex forecast. If you missed it, look at this. On the daily, this is an absolute bullish engulfer. Cross the low, cross the high, full body green. Okay, bullish engulfer. After this kind of bullish engulfer, you can expect a big move. Okay, so monthly, weekly, daily aligning, 3 together. Now go to the 4 hour. 4 hour. Okay, now on the 4 hour time frame, what you see that there is a liquidity grab happen here, bullish engulfer followed by couple of candles green. Now this current candle, this one, back to back 2 narrow dodges, means now creating a long wick candle in this level of support. This is a strongly bullish signal. The price is creating a long wick candle. Now once this candle will close, if I see that significant bullish price action, guys and girls, this is my first pair that I will be trading, dollar yen long. If I see if it satisfies my rules of my strategy, then I will be trading. If you want to trade it with me and also learn my strategies, you can visit the website, link in the description area, guys and girls. Thank you for your time. So let's look at, guys and girls, give a big thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new. So bullish dollar yen to me creating another bullish move, and we could see an aggressive move because as I told you, the 4 time frame is aligning in the same direction, meaning that we could potentially see a bigger move on dollar yen, guys and girls. So yeah, let's look at now dollar CAD. Okay, so dollar CAD also bullish, but now if you look at the daily, so why I'm rotating on the dollar pairs, because dollar getting stronger and we could potentially find some good trade on dollar pairs, and dollar is always hot, isn't it? Now USD CAD, you see that the price is nearing today's opening. Okay, what I think that on the 4 hour, if now this candle is hitting, means we could see an immediate reaction from here. Okay, so let me see what's the point, that daily opening on USD CAD is this one, right? There is a gap opening. How many pip gap? Let me look at on that one. There is around 2 pip gap. Okay, more than, maybe, let me look at it clearly. So there's almost 1.5 pip or 1.2 pip gap. Okay, dollar CAD. And what I think that the price is coming down, right, to this level. Let me look at it if I want to buy it now or. Okay, let me look at the daily. weekly. So on the weekly there is a middleman. Okay, so that's a sign of big move. Now on the 4 hour, the price now nearing this wickless candle here. So what I think that it might test this gap here, and then we could see a shoot up. So let me see if we can buy from here. Let me see the Fibonacci level for this move from the low to the high. Okay, so the thing is that the Fibonacci is way below this level. Okay, so yeah, let it come down, and I think so the best place will be if it breaks this daily low, you see this weekless low, and then create a bullish move. Okay, so after 34 minutes this candle is going to close, and yeah, dollar yen also dropping, that's good. Dollar CAD dropping. So yeah, that could be a zone. Let the candle close. I think that it will grab liquidity from this. You see that now buyers coming on the, this is now on the gap level. Okay, it has broken the daily gap, just now has broken the daily gap, and from this we could see a bullish move. Probably could buy. Look at it. The CAD. Okay, so let this candle close, then we'll see what might happen. Okay, it might. Let me look at the lower time frame on 15 minutes, what it's doing. Dollar yen. Dollar yen doing the same thing. If you look at the daily, so dollar yen on the daily have a long gap to fill, but dollar CAD dollar CAD is coming down. So let it come down. Okay, once it will do the proper retracement, then we can think of buying. So for now, let it drop and we'll look at it, what it is doing first. When falling, don't buy, let it fall, and then when the buyers will buy, then we can think of buying. Okay, so let me look at in the meantime what you guys said. Please Gbpusd, I'll look at it. So Gbpusd, I'll look at it. So could you please explain money management? For example, what percentage of available cash should be entered into the trade? So I have a separate video on my channel, YouTube. You should look at it, but we'll look at it, no problem. I'll look at it after this analysis. GPUAD, please. Hi sir, speak in Hindi. I'm new. No problem. Thank you very much for joining this live session. Let me look at please GBPSD. No problem. GBP, you guys. After 2 dodges, 4 hour, it's rising now, not dropping. So no problems. DXY is falling. Good evening sir, please. No problem. CAD is strong. USD weak as master. Can I USDPL, no problem. Buying zone for USD please. Kakulan US oil please. So let's look at US oil. What's happening? Okay, US oil, it's showing a bullish move. Okay, US oil might create a big bullish move. Why? Because what I see now that it creates basically a bullish structure here. Why? Because first of all, you see that this is the dynamic resistance on the daily is broken, created a doji on the daily. Now we see that bulls are buying. Now on the 4 hour, we see that there is an inverted head and shoulder has been created, and now with that inverted head and shoulder, the past 4 hour we have seen a doji, double doji. Now this one is going up, right? Created a higher low, and then the bulls are buying. There is an inverted head and shoulder, and I think that it is preparing for an uprise. And as I told you, on the monthly, US oil is nearing this monthly opening and close, right? What I think that it might retest this monthly opening and close, and then we could see that on the new months after breaking this high then might come down. Now daily perspective, or directly if you go to the 4 hour, I think that that target can be below this level. US oil, you can see that it's just pumping up. Okay, so it's bullish now. To me, it's bullish US oil, guys and girls. Okay, so let's look at now. Okay, so sir, please, dollar yen, what is the current market? Okay, so dollar yen to me is bullish. So we have seen a big drop on dollar yen. Very good. That's what we are expecting. As I told you that I need this price to come down to do proper retracement. On the daily perspective, this is the opening of dollar yen bullish candle on the daily, right? Let me delete it. So the price already reached top. What I'm expecting, the price to come down again, probably to this level, okay, today, and then to pick up again. Okay, so that could be awesome. Let it drop first. Even if it creates a higher low with this, that could be a bullish price action. So let first create the proper retracement, because when you see this kind of move, you can expect the price to do proper healthy retracement. If you take your Fibonacci, you can see that the 38.2% Fibonacci is here. So still we have room for dropping, and I am expecting it to drop, and then we can see that Harmony is Usdjpy is still a buy. So that's what I'm telling. Don't buy blindly. Let first the price come down, okay, and then let it pick up, create a bullish price action, and then you can say that, okay, dollar yen now preparing for a bullish setup, let's buy. Okay, so that's what we will be doing. US oil, please, I have discussed US oil already. I think that US oil is bullish. The reason is inverted head and shoulder. Longer picture, monthly, there is a bounce from the monthly support. This is a long-term bullish market. Why? You see, this is the monthly time frame, series of higher high, higher low, bullish market. Now on the monthly perspective, US oil had a bounce, okay, from this bounce support, and then weekly we have seen back to back every week the price was creating a series of higher high and higher low. And daily perspective, we have seen the price has created a doji. After this break, a doji, and then we can expect the price to continue to rise. On the 4 hour perspective, we have seen the price has created an inverted head and shoulder. You see, this is an inverted head and shoulder, and then we can say that the price now breaking out of this head and shoulder, meaning that we could see bigger move on US oil, at least to the monthly level of resistance. So that can give us a significant bullish trading opportunity, guys and girls. So let me look at now Aussie dollar. Okay, AUD CAD, please. Yeah, watching check, no problem. Gold, please. Sir, please. Gbpusd, gold is rising. Eurusd. Let's look at AUD CAD. Okay, so AUD CAD has gone up well above. Now what I think that AUD CAD is likely to do, let me look at the monthly perspective. Okay, so AUD CAD long term bearish. So on the weekly perspective, instead of, I expected it to drop AUD CAD, okay, but it's reversed. Okay, that's what it is. The market does like this all the time. So on the daily there was a strong bearish engulf. Now on the daily, what I see that we could see a drop on AUD CAD, a bigger drop. Okay, now on the 4 hour, the price already reached this 20 period moving average, and the price is nearing this resistance of this double top, and after this candle close we could see AUD CAD should drop. Okay, we could see a drop on AUD CAD, and that's what I can say, that AUD CAD, it already creating a head and shoulder, and we can expect to drop, okay, on the 4 hour time frame. So Louis says gold is in the long-term downtrend. It has retraced back up. When can you enter the trade? So let's look at on gold what's happening. Okay, so very good. As I told you, that gold now reaching this its gap opening on the daily perspective. You can see there is a gap opening. This is the opening of the today's candle on gold, and with that opening, what we have seen, that this from this resistance, the gold reached there, let this candle close. Okay, what I think, that if it reached this resistance and couldn't break this high from this zone, we could find a selling opportunity. Because if you look at the daily, this is the daily opening and close, and there is a gap opening. Even we could see that gold daily candle is closing here, and after little or no retracement, we could see a drop on gold. Okay, to me, it's now retracing, means preparing for another drop. So the way we can enter a trade, I think that from this resistance we could find a selling opportunity for gold. Okay, keeping a stop loss above this high could be a good place for stop loss. Okay, so sir, please Gbpusd. Lois said, sir, give me a learning roadmap. I have $70 capital. No problem. $70 capital is a good capital. Take care of this money and then learn properly, so that you can become a good trader. Use that money with a proper money management, and take a lot of smaller trade, so that you can learn from it, and that's how you can learn. And for the learning, you need to regularly understand, if you follow my analysis long time, you should be able to understand how this market is moving. So now let's look at British pound US dollar. Now British pound US dollar, you can see that there is a big move up. Okay, that's good for us, that the move up. And what we see that so let's look at this British pound US dollar now, how it is doing. Okay, let me look at the bigger picture on British pound US dollar. So on the monthly, we see that primarily the price is going up. This is the monthly perspective. So that's a long-term bullish market. Okay, on gold. Pardon me, Gbpusd long-term bearish market. Now what we see that on the weekly perspective, the price already reached this weekly opening and close, and from this zone, let me look at it. From this zone, we have seen there is a gap opening on Gbpusd. Now the price is just nearing the opening and closing, and what I think, that in case the price go up to test, this could be a very good place for selling. On the daily perspective, in case if it reach there, okay, that could, I think that it will bounce from this gap opening. This is the daily. Now the price is nearing where it has opened with a gap, and that could be a really good place for selling Gbpusd. On the 4 hour perspective, what we see that Gbpusd now reach this very important level. Okay, but I would say that this is a gap opening. Let me draw this level. I might sell British pound US dollar from here again. Okay, so it's now nearing this daily, like the gap, the opening and closing. First let the candle close, and then we could see what happens. So I'm waiting to see what happening. If you take your Fibonacci for this, there is a still it didn't reach the 38.2% Fibonacci level. So let it first go, candle close, even it might go up. If we see rejection, then we can think of, so keep aside British pound US dollar for now, and then we'll look at it. Okay, so how can I learn? Okay, so Lois said, how can I learn in trading? Please send me learning roadmap. Okay, Luis, yeah, you can learn trading. This is the Forex Trading User Academy is to help trader to learn, okay, to learn and to grow. You can, if you want to learn our strategy, you can find a link in the description area. And if you want to learn from this free session, always welcome. I'm trying to give as much as possible, keeping some exclusive strategies only for the lifetime members who are trading with us. Otherwise, there's a lot of material in this academy. You can learn and grow as a trader. So let's look at now, because the candle close is nearing. Let me look at some of the pairs now, looking how they are doing. Aussie Dollar, okay, CAD, CHF. I'm just looking quickly which one is doing what, so that we know what's happening. Okay, DXY has a drop. That's good. That's good that we could find Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD. Let me look at the daily. Okay, so from the daily 20 period moving average and from this zone, we have seen Euro AUD is rejecting, but still I can't say that this is the end of the story. Let me look at all of them. Euro GBP, Euro JPY, Euro NZD, Euro Dollar. Okay, so Euro Dollar is my top favorite for this move. The reason is what I am expecting Euro Dollar to reach further up. Okay, probably around 50% of this long week. If the price reach this zone, okay, that would be awesome for selling Euro Dollar. Okay, guys and girls. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting for Euro Dollar to give me some entry opportunity for shorting. As you can see on the 4 hour, there is already a nice looking head and shoulder has been created, and I'm very confident that Euro Dollar will respect this long wick candle. Okay, this long wick will be respected, and from this zone we could find really nice looking shorting opportunity on Euro Dollar. So you see that this is the 4 hour time frame has created a nice looking head and shoulder. Now first let's go back to some higher time frame on Euro Dollar, and then we'll see how we can learn. So on the monthly perspective, we see that Euro Dollar is created a really nice looking bearish price action. Okay, so this is a really monthly perspective, very strong bearish engulfer. On the weekly perspective, Euro Dollar now reaching this weekly level of resistance. Okay, now on the daily perspective, as I told you, there is a long wick candle. Now the price is nearing this resistance on the daily perspective as well. Now on the 4 hour time frame, the price is hitting this resistance with a long wick candle, meaning that we could potentially see a really good move on euro dollar. Okay, now what I am expecting, this candle to go up a little further, probably test this long wick zone, because when you see this kind of rejection, okay, a lonely rejection, you can expect some part of this wick to be tested and then to be rejected. Okay, so tomorrow there is a news coming up on euro, and I think that euro getting a bit hot because of this news, and then from this zone we could potentially see, I think that could be a zone where we can see euro dollar is showing some bearish price action. So let it go up, complete this head and shoulder, and then we could see some move on euro dollar, guys and girls. Let me look at what you guys and girls are up to. Okay, so euro USD we discussed it. Euro JPY, Amarsana, yes, no problem. Rizvan, good day, coach Rizvan, thank you very much. Amarsana, I'm a small money do scalping. Okay, no problem. Royal, how can I sell US30 now? Okay, dollar yen, please. Yeah, please. We already discussed dollar yen. We'll look at it. Euro JPY, whatever, now 100. Can I sell her now? I always lose when I trade it. Any help, coach? No problem. Euro JPY, let's do scalping. Okay, so let's look at now Euro JPY, and then we'll look at other pairs. So let me look at Euro JPY. Now JPY is weaker. Okay, guys and girls. Euro JPY. Okay, so Euro JPY going strongly bullish. Daily perspective, it's after the previous days this bullish candle, we have seen this trend line on the daily is broken on Euro JPY. The price already reached a lot. So what do we need to do now? Long term picture for Euro JPY is bullish. You see that this is the monthly candle, and it's going up, right? On the weekly also bullish. Okay, the price was creating a series of higher low on the weekly, now has broken up, so it's a bullish market. Now on the daily perspective, we see that there is a bullish candle on the daily with a long wick at the top, and now we see that the price started to go up. Now on the 4-hour perspective, the price has created a big move. Now you see that this is a big move. Now I can't go long from here. So what is the next step? Is wait for a possible retracement. Probably you may not find a trade today. Tomorrow we could see early some trade on Euro JPY, long trade. Okay, unless if it has an immediate reversal, that's a different story. If you see that, let's say after this one a big red candle came back down here like that, okay, that's a different story. Then we could see a reversal. So that's what we need to see. What is the next price action next, guys? This is the key point in trading. Keep in mind, when you see this is the key point. Keep in mind, when you see a big move, a vertical move, and immediately vertical drop, that's a sign of reversal. And a slow retracement, sell. Again, big move down, slow retracement, sell. Big move up, slow retracement, buy. Again, big move up, big move down, slow retracement, sell. Big move up, slow retracement, buy. Let me show you example. Let's say, look at this one here. Big move up, big move down, slow retracement, sell. You saw that? Now look at this one here. Big move up, not that proper example, but if you look at, let's say this one, you see that? Big move up, slow retracement, buy. So that's how you read the market. Okay, that's a very, very important thing that you need to keep in mind, guys and girls. So let me look at trading opportunity for today. Look at it. Once USD CHF may down. Okay, we'll look at it. So let's see for what's happening for the day. Okay, so USD JPY, let me look at it, what's happening. Okay, so USD JPY and USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD came well below. That's good. On the daily perspective, the price, if USD CAD reach this level here, that's an awesome buy zone. Okay, if in case it come here, I will be buying immediately USD CAD. Stop loss here, take profit at least 1 to 3. Okay, for dollar yen, okay, dollar yen, after 10 minutes this candle is closing. What I think that even it might already, you see that this low is being respected. You see this the price has created a higher low with this candle, so we might see that this level is being respected and going up. Okay, so I will be now observing dollar yen price for trading. Okay, let me look at other pairs. Gold. Okay, so gold has gone up. That's good for us. I want the gold to go up to test this zone and then reject. So daily perspective, gold is almost where it has opened. So all these pairs doing the same thing, including Gbp USD. So that is good for us, that giving us some opportunity for selling, including the British pound US dollar. Okay, so 4 hour, even it could reach this 20 period moving average, not impossible. Okay, that means that if you see that daily opening and closing is crossed, let's say this one here on the daily, it is above the daily level. Okay, so that's a good opportunity for. So let me look at okay, let the USD CAD drop. That's good for us that it's dropping. USD CAD, what I think that level, okay, that zone could be a very good place for buyers. USD CAD, the reason is daily. You see that there's the right candle here. This is the neckline of this double bottom here. Okay, so when you see a double bottom is formed like that, when the price reached up on the double bottom, you can see that this previous resistance maybe tested as support and then could continue to go up on. So with that in mind, on USD CAD, I'm expecting the price to come down, close here. Even if this candle touch here in the next 8 minutes, that could be a big buy, because when you see a long candle hitting an important level, that's a fake move. We could see an immediate rise on USD CAD. Now don't sell USD CHF, sell opportunity. No, don't trade against the trend. USD CHF is in an uptrend, so think of buying, not selling. Okay, so USD CHF, now you see this is the reversal pattern, and on the 4 hour there is a strong bullish engulfer with liquidity grab. So I will not be thinking of selling at all. Instead I will be thinking of buying. Okay, so USD CHF, USD CAD, okay, and dollar yen, all are possible bullish setup. Okay guys, yeah, so with that in mind, guys and girls, I'm gonna wrap this session. If you guys and girls find value in this channel, do you want me to continue to next? I have time to give you today. If you guys and girls are interested, then I can continue this session. Let me know in the chat. So if you guys and girls, then I can continue further. Okay, I got one request. Okay, sir. So if I see that more people giving thumbs up and also more people want me to continue this session, I can continue to see what's happening with the market. Yes, definitely. Okay, very good. Steve, yes sir, no problem. Okay sir, definitely, please sir, continue, keep going. Okay, Daniel, Awesome, very good. Continue, please. Thank you, Luke. Continue. Okay, bless. Continue. Very good, very good. Please continue. Okay, is this session is daily? Yes, every day, Monday to Friday, and I'm thinking to do on Sunday as well for next week's preparation. Continue. Okay, I'm loving your channel. This first of all, Dean, thank you very much. So much love from all of you. Really, it's good to see that our valuable time and sharing valuable knowledge. Thank you very much. Keep going, at least live position on gold yen. Okay, NAS 100 semi topo. Yes, how to trade a small account for our time frame. Okay, we'll look at it. So please Gbpusd. I said please check 100 if possible from Zimbabwe. No problems. Thank you. Wow, so much love from all of you. Okay, let's continue further. Okay, so I have a question. How to trade a small account for our time frame. Okay, so how to trade small account on the 4-hour time frame? Very good question. Look, if you have a smaller account, what I would say that, okay, first see the candle close and I'll come back to that. Let me see what's happening with the market on the candle close, and then I'll come back to that point. Aussie Dollar, CAD, CH. I'm just looking at all the pairs that CAD, JPY, daily. So if we draw a level on CAD, JPY, weekly, monthly, 4-hour. Okay. So CAD JPY to me is creating a bullish pattern here. Okay, it's a long-term bullish. It's creating a bullish pattern. So let's look at NAS 100. Okay, so there is a gap opening on NAS 100. You can see that, and what I think that it's the weekly price action. So there is two possible scenario now. The price to continue to drop with that gap, or we could potentially see a deeper retracement and then drop. Okay, not impossible to go up and to drop. If it goes up, that could be a level of resistance and support that can be respected on NAS 100. Okay, so this is the previous support here acting as resistance, and then we could see now how do you trade. Then question is, for our perspective, and if let's say if this one, okay, this current candle cannot break this gap, even cannot break this previous one's high, we could see an immediate drop. Okay, that's what my prediction is, NAS 100. So let me look at, please tell what made the gold to rally now. Okay, gold, Danny, why I don't think that gold is rallying. It's just going up for a retracement. Okay, I think that it will continue to drop. Gbpusd analysis, please. We are learning from the best. Thank you very much, Nolan. I'm trying to make as simply as possible. Please continue. No problem. BTC USD Pro, no problems. Listen all. Thank you very much. Lots of thumbs up. Very good. Thank you very much. Give a big thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't done yet. Okay, so let's look at some cryptocurrencies, BTC. Okay, monthly perspective. Monthly BTC USD now on the monthly support. Okay, this is a monthly support. Now you have seen probably in my analysis, this is what I told, that BTC USD is likely to drop. Many buyers caught up here. Okay, they thought that okay, there is a big drop, the price came to this previous support here, resistance now acted as support, so now we can buy. No, if you see a support, it doesn't mean that you can buy. Okay, you can't say that it's just a buy, because you need to look at the price section. It's very important that you look at the price section. You see that these are very strong, okay, long red candles. You can see that they are very strong bearish price action. Now compare this green candle here on BTC USD, this green one. This is a very weak response from the buyers. Okay, so when you see very weak response from the buyer, that means that basically you can prepare for another drop. Okay, so we see that the price has break the monthly high and then immediate retreat back. So it basically grab liquidity from here and now preparing for a drop. So we could see BTC USD even coming back to this baseline. So what do I mean by baseline? You could see even BTC USD coming here, okay, coming here and then consolidating like this long period of time, and then we could see a rise. But for now it's hopeless. It's hopelessly bearish to me. Okay, we could see some consolidation and retracement here, a little bit of uprise, but to me it's bearish. Okay, Aussie dollar, kindly have a look at it. Is Eurusd going long in this week? Till what long region? Okay, we'll look at it. Sir, please Gbpusd Hyder Gbpusd analysis, please sir. We did it and we'll do again, no problem. Nolan, sir, do you think gold will drop from weekly daily open? I think so, gold will drop. Please continue, sir. Thank you very much. Continue, sir. No problem. That's awesome. Very good that you guys and girls are interested in this lesson and in this session. That's where I find motivation, when I see that everyone wants, then I can continue, no problem. Okay, so Aussie dollar, all right, the candle closed just now. We see that Aussie dollar, I think it will go up again, probably will test this 20 period moving average, and then we could see that it's dropping. Because if you look at the daily on Aussie dollar, okay, so Aussie dollar now, you see that this is the previous support acting as resistance, let's say on the 4 hour. What I think that Aussie dollar might drop, okay, from here, even after going testing this 20 period moving average. Okay, we could see a drop on Aussie dollar. The reason is USD is getting stronger and Aussie dollar is facing this daily resistance here. Okay, John, just found your channel for 30 minutes and learned so much compared to other channel. Keep up great teaching. Thank you, John. Very good. Thank you for your appreciation. Yeah, this is the main goal of this channel, is to help trader as much as I can, so that they can become an independent profitable trader. This is the goal of this channel, and really I'm dedicated to give you the best possible lesson I can. So USD CAD, let's go back to USD CAD. On the 4 hour we have seen a candle close, so there is a move. The daily low is broken on USD CAD, and I think that we might see some pickup. Okay, probably after a drop, or we even could see a pickup from here. All right, so that's now the boost on dollar yen as well. You see that the price has created a higher low. Okay, so we could possibly see a bullish move on USD CAD. Let me look at the USD CAD daily. Okay, so the daily, weekly, this is the weekly level of support. USD CAD, let me delete all of them and see weekly. So USD CAD, I think preparing for, so on dollar yen, I think it might drop a little bit further and then will continue to rise. So keep aside now. Let's see what happening, and then we can consider buying or selling. So overall, you see that dollar yen now again started to push up. So overall, dollar yen is the weakest, like the most valuable currency to buy. Okay, against yen, dollar is very strong. The way the price action formed, I think it's respecting this level of support. Okay, so let me look at, thank you sir, no problem. Sanjay, yes sir, please, dollar yen please. So how to make an early entry? Sure, ask very good question. I'll talk about it. So do you trade down theory? Do you trade down theory? Look at it, boss. Can you open sell on gold now? It's touched the gap. I'm small and I'm new to the channel. I'm Smile. Adil said, I am Smile. I'm new to the channel. Thank you, Smile. Welcome to our channel. Very much. You are a warm welcome. So I have a question. How to make early entry? So I will not say to you just to look for an early entry. Instead of look for the proper entry. Okay, so wait for the candle close and try to use the pending order. Sometimes I use market order, but better to use the pending order. You see the dollar yen now respecting this level, and I think that it might continue to go up. So to enter the market as early as possible is firstly wait for the candle close, whatever strategy you are using, and then place your entry using pending order or the market order, but keep your stop loss in a safe place. That's the main goal. You don't need to look for always early entry, because if you try to chase the early entry, you might experience FOMO. That could create that could create a little bit of problem in your trading account. So always try to look for proper entry rather than the early entry. So let's look at British pound US dollar. Okay, so British pound US dollar, let me look at the daily. So all the USD pairs is doing basically the similar way. You can see that this is the daily and there is a gap opening. The price is now nearing the gap. What I think that British pound US dollar may not drop immediately now, but it's bearish. There is a gap opening. So what it might do, there is one possibility, is that if this is the daily candle, right? If this one closes like that, okay, we might see a break of the daily high, or even from here a drop. Okay, so what I think that Gbpusd might respect this resistance. Okay, daily, even it remains in this zone as a smaller candle today, and then tomorrow we could see a drop. So this is a daily resistance that I think that dollar yen, British pound US dollar will keep respecting. Okay, so let's look at some of the pairs that, okay, you see the dollar yen now going up from this level of support, and what I think that it will continue to go up. It might come down a little bit to test this, or may not come down, but yeah, this is the level of support that respecting dollar yen. Okay, so USD CAD doing the same thing. Okay, and gold. So this session the gold will close, and let me look at the daily. So gold also nearing the daily opening and close. Okay, let's see where it is going. So if you see this move on gold, okay, and going up, now if we take your Fibonacci from the high to the low, we see that gold is now nearing 50%, so 61.8% Fibonacci on gold is where there is a 20 period moving average. Okay, this is the zone which is 61.8% Fibonacci on gold, and let the gold go there, test this zone where there is a doji here. Okay, this support turning resistance. So this is a very important area of value, guys and girls. 1741 or 42. I think that if gold reach there, that could be an awesome selling opportunity for gold. Okay, 1742, something like that. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm almost at the end of this session. I continued a little further. I think that for today I can wrap up. I might continue later more. Okay, so but for today I will keep it here. I'll leave the rest on you. I'll look at it. Okay guys, so Louis, I got it. You don't need to repeat the same message many times. Okay, so yep, let's see now. Yeah, I think that most of the pairs, currencies, cryptocurrencies is covered in this session. I really appreciate your time in this live session. It was really enjoyable, and this is it guys for today. And I will be in this live session tomorrow at the same time. And in the meantime, guys and girls, if you want to learn my strategies and also trade with me, you can visit the link in the description area, and I'll try to continue a little further tomorrow. With that in mind, we have seen that some pairs really giving trading opportunity, as we discussed. Dollar yen bullish, USD CAD bullish, and I will be observing price action. If you want to learn my strategies, you can jump on the website, the link in the description area. So with that in mind, happy trading. Okay, and manage your risk all the time. I'll see you tomorrow same time in this live session. Thank you.